A couple of years ago, I got to work with a really awesome crew over at Space Janitors as a guest on their web series, Space Janitors. I'll post the link so you can check it out. I also got to cross something really cool off my bucket list, and that was being in a video with a puppet. You saw the Muppets episode, you know that puppets and Muppets are very dear to me. So it meant so much. And as Pi Day is next week, I thought I would share it with you.
Hello, the galaxy! I'm here with Sam Anderson from cakescove.com, and she is going to make us something real special.
Today we're actually doing a Pi Day cake. We're going to decorate a cake, and inside is going to be a pumpkin pie.
A whole pie!
That's
inside
right.
the cake!
That's right.
Oh, baby!
So if you mix this for me while I add the eggs.
You know, this is the part that I really like. I like mixing it up. That's my kind of thing. On the old fish planet, I used to just sort of mix things up for fun. Looks like my cousin Jerry the jellyfish. Am I right, guys?
And you want to put just a small layer of cake mix. And then you take your pie, which if you did bake is fully cool.
Right.
You don't want to
Fully cool.
burn yourself here.
No lame pies. If there was one leaning up against a jukebox when you went in, pick that one.
And then you pour the rest of your cake mix right on top. And we'll just pop that in the oven. 350 and follow the instructions on your cake recipe or your cake box. So the cake is done!
Ta-da!
So now that our cakes have cooled, we've got the one with the pumpkin pie in the center, and we've got the plain one that we've cut in half and we've leveled the both off. We can start assembling.
All right.
So we're going to take our cream cheese buttercream and put some on the first layer. You're gonna get on your face.
Sorry.
So then we'll put the cake with the pie inside in the center and do another layer of the cream cheese buttercream.
Nice technique there. Yeah. Nice, even. Look at this thing.
You can cut out a pie symbol from a piece of paper or parchment paper, either way is fine, and just take some cocoa powder and just lift it straight up. And then you pull it out.
That piece is, that one's for me.
You'll have nice layering of cake, buttercream, pie, more buttercream, and your cake.
And there we have it. A beautiful cake with a whole pie in the middle of it. Sam, thanks so much for doing that.
You're very welcome.
Go to cakescove.com and buy more awesome cakes from Sam here. And be sure to be on the lookout for season 3 of Space Janitors. Happy Pie Day, everyone.